Hello Science Navigators. This video will accompany our learning about building models in science as well as classification in science. So I'm calling this process skills models, classification, communication, connects assignment. So we'll get to also do a little engineering or building. So this activity will call for you to be in a group. Each group needs to complete the following tasks. Number one, build 2 of the connects models that are shown in the room. Build 2, and they're placed up on the front board. You'll place your completed connects models next to the blueprint. So you're going to put your 2 next to the blueprint models. And an example of a blueprint would be right here. This is a blueprint of the wheelbarrow. Okay? So once you get your 2 done, you're going to look at all of the different models that your fellow classmates have built, and I want you to take a picture of just 9 of them. Just 9. And then once you have those pictures, we're on step 4. You're going to create a video on Explain Everything, explaining why and how you organize the models the way you did. So, we're building a model. Why are we building a model? Because scientists build models for things that are really big or really small. Then we're going to take the pictures of the 9 models you choose, and I'm going to ask you to classify those in a certain way, and everybody's could be a little bit different. Step 5, turn your Explain Everything video into Show Me, and be ready to share. So that is those are the steps. So what are we doing in terms of science? The first thing you're going to do is focus on the science part of this, or the process skills, is making models. Model making or making models means developing a physical or mental representation to explain an idea. A model can be a picture, diagram, or a computer image. Models can be really big or really, really small. So you've all probably seen solar system models and maybe a model of a fish. If you look to the left of the classroom over by the bike, you can see a model of a fish, just like you see in this picture. So we make models, and we're going to practice making models with the connects. We'll make models of all of these different types of items that I've found for you. I can't show them all here, but I can show a lot of them. Alright, and you'll see them up on the front board. So let me get rid of those. So we're making models, and then from models, we are going to do some classifying. Okay, so classifying. I'm going to bring this forward here. See if I can bring this forward. There we go. Classifying. So in science we classify, and we classify living and non-living things in order to organize them. Classification, or classifying, is a process to organize, separate, and better understand living and non-living things. Where do we classify in our own lives? Well, libraries are classified, maybe fiction, nonfiction. Grocery stores, dairy, cereal, pasta, hardware store, nuts and bolts, tools, and so on and so forth. So you'll be classifying the connects models that you've built and your classmates have built. So some other examples of classifications are, this is a dichotomous key for classifying sharks. And we can bring that forward. You could look up dichotomous key on your internet, on your iPad, and check out some more of those. We can do classification of dinosaurs. So I'm making this video on Explain Everything, and I just wanted to do it on one slide, so a little easier for me. But to summarize, each group needs to build 2 connects models, and I'll be assigning groups the two that they're supposed to build. Once you have it built, you put it next to the blueprint so that other kids can take a picture. Take a picture of 9. There's about 15 of them, but you're just going to take a picture of 9, and then you're going to create a video explaining how and why you organized or classified the models the way you did. You'll turn in your Explain Everything video to Shobi and be ready to share. I'll answer any questions that you have in class, because if you raise your hand right now and ask a question to the video cannot respond. That'd be really weird. Wouldn't that be kind of cool if it could? This could be Siri Kruger. Over and out.